Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max combines speed, precision, and advanced automatic resin management to deliver an outstanding 3D printing experience. Designed for hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals alike, this SLA printer is capable of producing everything from tiny, intricate miniatures to exceptionally large models with remarkable detail. Its intuitive interface and remote monitoring capabilities make managing prints effortless, while the innovative resin handling system operates completely behind the scenes, minimizing cleanup and allowing users to focus on creating. The printer's LightSource technology delivers superb calibration accuracy, reaching down to an impressive 10-micron resolution, ensuring consistently high-quality prints. All of these features come together in a machine that is surprisingly affordable given its performance and capabilities. Who it's for? Professionals, with near-industrial-grade build quality, reliable operation, and precise fine detail printing, the Mono M7 Max is ideal for rapid prototyping, product design, and short-run manufacturing. Its performance meets the demands of serious users who need consistency and accuracy. Enthusiasts and hobbyists, priced under $1,000, the M7 Max offers exceptional quality and innovative resin management features, making it a top choice for artists and hobbyists. Its user-friendly design and intuitive interface allow a smooth transition from setup to finished prints, reducing hands-on resin handling and simplifying the entire printing process. Specifications and features. Technology, stereolithography, SLA. Material supported, resin. Build volume, 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 in. Resolution, 10 microns. Frame, closed design. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Dimensions, 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 in. Weight, 52.91 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is the flagship printer from a company that has helped pioneer filament-based multicolor 3D printing. It stands out with its 4-color printing capability, a generous build volume, and a user-friendly nozzle system that is easy to switch, making it a versatile option for creators of all levels. Despite its advanced features, the A1 comes at a competitive price, delivering excellent print quality without breaking the bank. The printer is straightforward to set up and operate, allowing users to go from unboxing to printing in a short time. For those interested in multicolor printing, Bambu Lab offers an optional 4-color spool system, which can be purchased separately for the $399 base model or included with the A1 combo package for $559. This system makes it simple to produce vibrant, multi-hued prints right from the start. Who it's for? Beginners, the A1 is perfect for newcomers to 3D printing. Its intuitive design, easy setup, and reasonable pricing make it an accessible entry point. The A1 combo version provides a ready-to-go 4-color printing experience, making it ideal for those who want to explore multicolor projects immediately. Hobbyists and enthusiasts, experienced makers will appreciate the A1's large build area and reliable performance. It consistently produces high-quality prints, offering flexibility for more complex or larger projects while supporting a wide range of filaments including PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA. Specifications and features. Technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Build volume, 10 by 10 by 10 in. Frame, open design. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 16.93 by 15.16 by 16.14 in. Weight, 18.3 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an excellent entry-level 3D printer that combines affordability, ease of use, and high-quality output. What sets it apart is its optional add-on module, which allows printing with up to 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creation simple and accessible. Despite its compact size, the A1 Mini produces detailed, vibrant prints at a relatively fast pace. Its intuitive setup process means users can start printing almost immediately, and it remains reliable and problem-free during operation. With its thoughtful design and efficient functionality, the A1 Mini delivers a seamless experience for both beginners and hobbyists. Who it's for? Beginners. The A1 Mini is ideal for those new to 3D printing. It comes nearly fully assembled, making setup fast and straightforward. The version we reviewed, the combo model, includes the 4-color module, enabling users to create multicolor prints with minimal effort. In testing, it consistently produced high-quality prints without issues, allowing newcomers to focus on learning and experimenting rather than troubleshooting. Budget-minded hobbyists. For hobbyists seeking an affordable yet capable printer, the A1 Mini is a standout option. Selling for under $400, it offers one of the lowest-cost 4-color FDM printing solutions on the market. Its combination of performance, simplicity, and value makes it a smart choice for anyone wanting to enjoy multicolor printing without a large investment. Specifications and features. Printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Number of print colors, 4. Extruders, 1. Frame design, closed. Build volume, 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm. Resolution, 100 microns. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 in. Weight, 12.12 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to create large 3D prints without spending a fortune? The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus delivers impressive jumbo-sized builds, a feature rare for sub-$500 printers. In our testing, the Neptune 4 Plus produced over 20 objects with consistently very good quality. While it requires some basic assembly and a stable table or bench to accommodate its size, setup and operation are straightforward. For a complete experience, be sure to add at least 1 filament spool to your order, or choose a bundle that includes filament. Who it's for? Beginners. The Neptune 4 Plus is perfect for newcomers willing to learn hands-on. As an open-frame printer, its internal components, motors, belts, cables, print bed, extruder, and filament feed remain visible during operation, making assembly and observation a great learning experience. The printer's large build volume allows beginners to experiment with bigger projects, and our test prints consistently showed very good quality. Budget-minded hobbyists. For hobbyists seeking performance on a budget, the Neptune 4 Plus is an excellent choice. It supports a wide range of filaments, including ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, and TPU, and its large print volume allows for ambitious projects without the high cost of larger printers. Its combination of affordability, versatility, and print quality makes it a top pick for those looking to expand their 3D printing capabilities. Specifications and features. Technology, Fused Deposition Modeling, FDM. Supported materials, ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, TPU. Build volume, 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 in. Extruders, 1. Frame, open design. Resolution, 100 microns. Connectivity, USB thumb drive, Wi-Fi. Dimensions, 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 in. Weight, 32 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent choice for curious tinkerers and hobbyists seeking an accessible entry point into 3D printing. This latest iteration improves on previous Ender-3 models with faster print speeds, enhanced auto-calibration, and upgraded cooling systems, making the printing process smoother and more efficient. While it has minor quirks such as occasional noise, vibration, and a print bed that benefits from glue, the Ender-3 V3 remains a highly capable and affordable option for anyone looking to explore the world of 3D printing. Its open-frame design offers a clear view of the extruder, motors, and print bed in action, providing a hands-on learning experience that's perfect for beginners. Who it's for? Beginners. If you're new to 3D printing, the Ender-3 V3 is a standout choice. Easy to assemble and operate, it delivers fast, high-quality prints while giving you the opportunity to understand the mechanics behind each print. Its transparent, open-frame design allows you to watch every stage of the printing process, helping newcomers gain practical knowledge and confidence in 3D printing. Budget buyers and hobbyists. For those on a tight budget, or anyone seeking a second or backup 3D printer, the Ender-3 V3 offers remarkable value. Its compact footprint, combined with reliable performance and affordability, makes it a smart choice for small workspaces or multi-printer setups. Specifications and features. Technology: fused filament fabrication, FFF. Supported materials: PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, PLSEF, PTGCF, CR carbon. Build volume: 7.8 by 7.8 by 9.8 in. Extruders: 1. Frame: open design. Resolution: 350 microns. Connectivity: Wi-Fi. Dimensions: 14 by 14.7 by 19.6 in. Weight: 17.2 pounds. Warranty: 12 months.